Ashwega News. I'm Kritika Spahati. Today we are talking about a shocking global health issue. It is called diabetes. And India is now facing a massive challenge related to it. A new global study shows that India carries the second highest economic burden due to diabetes, estimated at USD 11.4 trillion, only behind the United States. But China is just behind India at USD 11 trillion. Here's the interesting part. The study looked at 204 countries from 2020 to 2050 and revealed that the global cost of diabetes excluding informal care are around USD 10 trillion or 0.2% of the world's annual GDP. But when family care and other informal supports are included, the burden skyrockets to USD 152 trillion, about 1.7% of the global GDP. Most of this cost come not just from treatment but also because caregivers often leave the workforce partially, adding another layer of economic impact. In fact, informal care make up almost 90% of the total economic burden because the diabetes affects far more people than it kills. Here's another surprising fact. For India and China, the high burden is mainly due to the large populations of affected, while in the US, it is high treatment costs and diverted resources that drive the numbers. High-income countries face 41% of the burden from treatment costs, but low-income countries see only 14% from treatment, highlighting inequalities in access to healthcare worldwide. The study also compared diabetes to other major diseases and found that its economic impact is even larger than Alzheimer's disease or cancer. So what's the solution? Experts say prevention is the key. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet, early detection and timely treatment can all help reduce the health and economic impact of diabetes. Here's a shocking number. Over 25% of world's diabetics live in India, according to the Lancet 2024. This is not just a health problem, it's a wake-up call for every individual's family and community. Because tackling diabetes is not just about medicine. It is about awareness, lifestyle and action today before it's too late. This is Kritika Spahati for Ashwega News. Stay alert, stay aware and take charge of your health.